Hi, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist, and today I have Allyson, my credit partner with Rising Point Solutions. This month we are going over the top 5 common mistakes people make when they're trying to repair credit on their own. What's the number 3 common mistake or a no-no? What not to do?
Another no-no is paying negatives. So this is very, very tricky. When I'm going through a client's credit report, I'll sometimes tell them, hey, this is worth paying, this isn't worth paying.
Right.
So you gotta be really careful just blindly paying all the negative stuff on your credit report because it can actually drop your credit score. Medical collections, the bureaus just made an amazing change about medicals where they actually, it benefits you to pay them, so that's actually a good thing. But other items like utility type collections or any other type of collections, you run the risk of it just updating as a brand new debt.
Okay.
So it doesn't necessarily delete it to pay it. So you really have, that's when you want to engage with a credit professional, someone that knows kind of how to guide you on that stuff.
Yes.
So that is a common mistake.
Allyson, thanks so much for being with us today. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any more questions or need more tips and tricks about credit repair or all things mortgage, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can go to RamseyLoans.com, check out Ramsey's Insight, and I'll be happy to connect with you there. Until then, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist.